In this video, I'll show you how to share documents on Microsoft Teams during a meeting, a must-know skill whether you're working remotely, leading a team, or just need to get files to colleagues in real time. Before we get started, please remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more videos. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Microsoft Teams website. Click Sign In and enter your login details. If you're already signed in, you'll land directly on your Teams homepage. Once you're in, click the calendar icon on the left-hand sidebar. This shows all your scheduled meetings and events, making it easy to find what you need. Find the meeting where you want to share a document, whether it's upcoming or already in progress, and click it to open the details. You'll see the participants, agenda, and other meeting info here. Now for the key step, click Open Meeting Chat. This opens the chat window for that meeting, where you can message participants, share links, and upload documents. In the chat window, look for the paperclip icon at the bottom. This is the attachment button, just like in most other apps. Click it to begin sharing your file. A menu will pop up. Choose Upload from this device. This opens your File Explorer so you can browse to the document you want to share. Select it and confirm the upload, and it may take a moment depending on file size and connection speed. Once uploaded, the document appears in the meeting chat for everyone to view, download, and collaborate on in real time. A couple of tips: use clear, descriptive file names so participants know what they're opening, and give your team a heads up before sharing so they're ready to receive it. And that's it. You now know how to share documents in a Teams meeting. It's a simple feature that can make a big difference in how smoothly your team collaborates, whether you're sending project files, presentations, or notes. Practice it a few times and it'll become second nature. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel.